Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. With around 6 months to go before the next iPhone generation is unveiled, early leaks surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are beginning to outline a familiar strategy from Apple. According to the latest preliminary news data, Apple plans to add professional features to the iPhone 18 Pro camera. iPhone 18 Pro to double down on camera as Apple's key advantage. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is preparing significant changes to the camera software for the iPhone 18 Pro, scheduled for release in 2026. The manufacturer intends to expand the capabilities of the standard camera app by adding professional tools for managing shooting. According to multiple sources, the new iPhone 18 lineup will continue to place strong emphasis on camera improvements, long regarded as Apple's defining advantage. However, these upgrades are unlikely to be distributed evenly across all models. One of the most notable enhancements is expected to remain exclusive to the Pro versions. Apple was in talks about a possible partnership with the developers of Halide, a specialized photography app with advanced settings. The deal fell through, but the very fact that the talks took place hints at the future direction of the iPhone's built-in camera. The iPhone 18 Pro's default camera app is expected to feature manual focus, detailed exposure adjustments, and an advanced RAW shooting mode. Until now, these features were only available in third-party apps. Apple aims to give users direct access to professional tools without requiring additional software. Similar improvements will also affect video recording. The developers are preparing more detailed settings and tools for professional use. The update primarily focuses on software, as the iPhone's camera hardware is already at a high level. The current version of the iPhone camera app is focused on quick shooting, with minimal user intervention. This new approach strikes a balance between ease of use and the ability to fine-tune shooting settings for experienced users. New reports claim that the new iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to take a further step forward, with a larger aperture. A wider aperture allows the lens to capture more light, leading to clearer, brighter, and more detailed images in low-light conditions. It is expected that the new Apple iPhone 18 lineup will officially launch in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.